My name is Trevor Sherwin. I'm a landscape and woodland photographer. Spending time in the woodland, spending time in the landscape, in outdoor spaces, I think you just get that time away from that busyness, life's noise. You can lose yourself for hours. There's an honesty when taking landscape photos to try and portray what the viewer would see if they were standing there while you took the photo. Some people will quite happily take the sky away and replace, or they'll clone out all the cranes in a skyline of a cityscape photo. I definitely did clone out cranes in the past, or a rogue branch coming into my photo. As time goes on, and as you embrace and want to photograph what was actually there, embracing imperfection is something that you have to do as a photographer because you can't control the scene. But woodland isn't perfect, nature isn't perfect. You have to just take what it gives you and you have to embrace it, and over time you learn that you can't control all of those aspects of the photo, and imperfection is actually quite beautiful on its own. It just takes time to get there, I think, sometimes. Or you believe that everything in a photo should be perfect because you're creating art, you're creating something that you want to hang on your wall, but that's not always going to be the case. So. The vast majority of the time, it doesn't come together. You don't get the photo you're after. You may get another photo, and I think that's important, to be open-minded about what photos you're going to take. If it all comes together, then there's no feeling like it, really. My photography helps keep my mental health in check. I know when I'm feeling a little low. I know when I'm happy, and I know when I need to get out and spend some time with the camera. I think that really helps. Photography is a big part of keeping on top of mental health. If I'm having a nice walk, having a nice time in the forest, enjoying the trees, the birds, then I'm never disappointed that I don't come away without a shot. If you're looking for an end result every single time, I think you're missing the point of landscape and nature photography. I think it's all about being in the environment, enjoying the environment, respecting the environment. And if you're lucky, it gives you a photo.